Hi there, let's play.
Hey guys, welcome to my gaming channel. On my gaming channel, I'm gonna have mini games I play on my Tote and Go laptop plus. Hey guys, so in this video, I'm just gonna be doing the challenge yourself challenge. Okay, let's get started.
Challenge yourself. Choose the one that's not in order.
Why won't this thing work?
Nine.
There we
Wow,
go.
cool.
It was broken, guys. Sorry.
Count the objects and find the answer. 1, 2, 5. Woohoo!
Yes.
Fantastic.
Got it, guys.
Choose the one that's in a different letter case.
It's not working.
V.
There we go.
Wow, cool. Can you find the card with the number 2?
With the number T. This is a yes or no question, but there's no yes or no. Yes!
Fantastic.
I got it, guys.
Remember the word and type
It's
in
all
the
about
letter.
the button mashing.
Pizza,
Pizza!
H. Oops, keep trying.
Darn.
Remember the word and type in the letter. Pizza,
Hey guys, so in this video, I'm doing the music composer, and I'm just gonna play these songs like on this keyboard that they have for me. Woo!
Hi there, let's play. Choose an activity.
So guys, in this video, I'm going to be doing a unboxing and review on the sound of this Tote and Go Plus. We'll just get right into it. So guys, for this, the voices are just very smooth, and I like to just think of it as Minecraft because you see all these little boxes. It's exactly like Minecraft, and this sound is just very pristine, as you can hear. Here, I'll put it at full volume. You guys can probably hear this really well.
So the way I got good at this game is I just figured out that this is really a lot like Roblox. I'm used to Roblox, so it's so easy. You just gotta like move your mouse however you want, but like if it tells you to control the mouse, just like don't listen to it and just go free. You just gotta listen to your own vibes. Don't follow everyone else's rules. Okay, now we've made it to another room. Boom, ran into that wall. It's pretty fun to do that too. You just gotta have fun with it, man. You just like, and like this mouse, it's just got so much. It's just like it responds to my every single command. Whatever I do, it just follows. Like, let's say I just want to turn left really fast. Boom, it does it super fast.